So we are outside. I'm about to head downstairs. We have a like pull-up bar around the neighborhood. There's like exercise machines outside. So since it's nice out, super nice out, which I'll show you, let's get the day started.
If you lose the battle with the demons, 556 jumped out to the crib. Left monkey speechless.
I'm sitting here staring at a Hardee's right now. What do they even serve at Hardee's? Would it be like Denny's? I'm about 10-15 minutes away. Yeah, 10 minutes away. And we getting buckets. Buckets. That's what's going on. It is Sunday and I'm headed over to Walmart to get screwdrivers to fix my PS5. I took off the panels. I cleaned around the vent, but I have to clean inside the vent and then near the power port, I guess. I don't know the correct term for it. Dust is built up in there, and every time I play the game for 30 minutes or more, my PlayStation will just turn off. So I'm hoping this will fix it. I saw some Reddit posts that said it could. We're gonna test it out. I'm taking you guys with me for the ride. Hello. Had an eventful weekend, didn't we? We got a lot done. We were able to see a little bit of my outdoor calisthenics workout, and then I went and played basketball with some friends. But I didn't do too bad. You know, outdoor basketball is always a little different than indoor. I really like how the ND filters turned out, and I used the N64 for that entire day. I thought they looked great. It still got the color, nothing was too bright like in my older videos when it was snowing. So yeah, I definitely love how they turned out this time. Other than that though, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Big things coming up. New York soon. See you guys later. Deuces.